Mm.
What's that one?
Oh. Robot.
What's that little one on the end? What's this little one on the end? What's that?
Eyes.
Those are the eyes?
The coast. Open coast. Eyes. My teeth.
You made a teeth? Oh, I see his teeth. He's got big teeth. His mouth is wide open, isn't it?
Eyes.
Let me close it up.
Eyes.
What about this one? What's this one?
It's a guy.
That's a guy.
It's a Unoni. It's a
That's his ear.
Oko.
Oh, what's that little part right there?
Green. There's eyes.
That's his eye.
Nose.
And that's his nose. He's got a nose and ears and eyes. That's his ear. You wiggling his ear. Very good, Perla. Wow. Play-Doh. Perla really likes Play-Doh. Play-Doh. Do you like Play-Doh? Miss P? I think we're done.